Yeah. A 67, you said?
Yeah, 67.
Wow.
Really?
It's a great looking car.
So you won't say anything about the police record?
No.
The police.
Where's the highway patrol?
700, those are the original tires too.
Not the original tires, but the original wheels.
The original wheels.
So have you owned this since it was new?
Yeah,
You bought this when it was new?
I ordered it from the factory. Yeah.
Wow.
And I've got all the. Matter of fact, I have the bill of sale in the car.
Wow.
And how many miles do you have on the car?
760,000.
Wow.
How many?
So how many different?
760,000.
Wow.
And I stopped driving it in '79.
You have 700,000 miles on it?
In all my life, with all the cars I've owned, I don't think I've put that many on all of them.
I don't have that many on my Plymouth.
But you didn't drive 11 Western states.
No, that's
either.
true. That's true.
So how many different motors have been in this car?
Same motor.
You've never had the motor out of this car?
Oh yeah, twice I rebuilt it.
Okay, so it's the same motor, just you've just rebuilt
yeah,
the same
it's
one.
been rebuilt and upgraded a little bit.
Yeah.
Not much.
Wow.
Slightly. I've got new ignition, headers.
So it's the
carburation,
same
intake.
block, just you've just
Yeah.
rebuilt it. Wow.
How many transmissions?
Two.
Wow.
And one rear end.
You know, I
And
always
that
hear,
was only done 2 years ago.
Wow.
I always hear about the 200,000 or 300,000 on the Toyota. You know, that people, oh yeah, it's just broken in.
Right.
Another. But that's the most I know of any car that I've ever been around that's had that 700,000.
That's crazy.
That's wild.
Story, like for
Yeah,
Oh,
some of
it's
these
not.
guys.
It's in my car.
Wow.
Yeah.
Excellent. That's a good
I
story.
usually put it up on the window.
Just gonna check out the inside. It's a 67 vinyl top. We'll walk around and check it out. SS 427. And was the 427 the largest motor you could get in this year?
Yeah, 427, but the largest horsepower was 425 horse. But you couldn't get air conditioning with it.
Oh,
And I had to have air. So.
interesting.
Matter of fact, let me pull this thing out and you can actually see it.
Oh, okay.
This is a good story.
I like the vinyl top too.
Oh, yeah.
The vinyl top looks really nice.
That's the way it came.
Yeah. It's a great looking car. Oh, this is like the poster for it? Oh, the original bill of sale? Wow. That's crazy. Wow. That's awesome. The original bill of sale. So you paid 3,200.
No. Go up. 47.
Oh. Where does it even say? I was going to say 32. Oh, 43.86.
Yeah. 43.86.75.
43.86. Wow. That's awesome.
They wanted 5,300. And I went,
But you got them down, huh? That's awesome. Wow.
We got a good deal. But
That's awesome.
it's been a great car.
Yeah.
I love it.
I think that's awesome. You're still driving it. What's your name?
George.
George.
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
That's awesome. You're still driving it. That's amazing. That's so cool. Looks great inside too.